quiet.
Look how dirty these shits are, bro.
I think mine's worse. Yeah, this shit is disgusting, bro. No way is this dirty. Me.
Gotta pick up David.
Alright, let's go. Go pick up David. Where are we going? There's no way. Let me see David. Let me see David.
The Lambo!
Oh shit, it's a Huracan!
She be racing.
No way. I'm gonna go racing right now. What's up, guys? They're watching another video. 2 videos in one day already. I'm gonna try to make 3, but that's gonna be pushing it. I think we can do it today though.
We can do it.
Oh, I'm already tired. Making videos is very draining. Anyways, thank you guys for watching another video. I appreciate it so freaking much. I appreciate you guys still coming back even after I took a 2-week break. Try to start posting more videos for you guys. Look, we got David here. OG Astro. We got Hugo. You've been working a lot, huh? How many cars you watch today?
Just 3.
No, but they're waxing.
One of them, yeah.
But yeah, guys, I don't know what we're gonna do right now. We're trying to push out more videos for you guys. So I'm like, let's just get in our cars, let's go for a drive. I brought the big camera, so maybe have a little photo shoot. I know you guys like when I throw like the photography stuff in the vlogs. And I haven't shot photos of Hugo's car in a long time, so we're probably gonna shoot Hugo's car. Go get the cars washed, because as you guys see, like, this GTR is disgusting.
So I thought I was the one who just watched it, but he said it takes a long time.
I know, we're just gonna spray it down real quick, just so it looks good in photos. But it definitely needs a good detail, because this shit is bad, bro. It's still probably gonna look ugly after this car wash, but... And why is David not driving his F80?
We'll talk about that in another
We'll talk about that in another video. Oh, comment down below, what do you guys think happened to David's F80?
I'm trying to become blood, that's what happened.
Ken Black? Bro, my car's actually horrible, bro. Like, look how dirty it is. It's actually terrible. Like, it's bugging me being this dirty. I can't wait to wash it right now. Look at Hugo. Hugo's in the hood, bro. If you guys didn't know already, Hugo might be moving here within like a week or 2. Like, literally officially moving here. Getting a place here. He's moving out here. So finally, we have Hugo in every single vlog, every single video. And hopefully it helps both our channels grow and make more content for you guys. It's going to be sick. I've been trying to tell Hugo to move down here for years, bro. He's finally going to do it. Huh? What's up, boss? Damn.
I need to buy some easy flights.
Did David start vlogging?
I should, like, everyone always tells us how I wash cars and shit. It's pretty simple, you guys. Comment down below if you guys want to see me do an Instagram
Way better than it was, but it's still not the cleanest. I mean, on camera it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but it's still really dirty, guys. Look at it. Most of it didn't even come off. Like, it really needs to be scrubbed, but look at all this dust. I just didn't want to scrub it and scratch the paint or the wrap. So I'm gonna just wait till we actually detail it, me and David, but for now this should work. The color's finally popping now. All that dirt made the color look so dull. And then we got Hugo over here watching the E92. She looks sick. You guys remember these wheels? These wheels were actually on my E46. It looks so good on every car, bro, I swear. I wish that when I had my E92, I tried these on and rocked them for a little bit. That would have been sick. This? Oh. Alright, we made it, but there's a security guard over there. You guys see him, he's probably gonna do a U-turn right now, watch. Oh, I knew it.
So the airport safety plan requires you to be 10 feet away from the fence.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I was just trying to take pictures with the airplane.
That's what the curve red, so you gotta be 10 feet back.
Oh, okay.
So take a couple of quick pics, watch the cars.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, I just wanted to take a picture with it. All right, let's have a little photo shoot real quick, and we'll dip before we get in trouble. Well, the last spot was a fail. We got kicked out in literally 5 seconds, as you guys saw. We did get a couple photos though. Now we're at spot number 2. Cool little palm trees, sunset.
Damn, it looks hard, bro. It's like my headlight's giving up.
It is. I was about to tell you that. On the freeway, it looks like only one light's working. There's no way you're just hitting it. There's no way it's not working. You drifted.
Ah, well, bro.
Hell nah.
This shit.
You drifted?
Would you let him drift it?
Hell no.
You have control of the F80.
Hugo's not gonna trust me or David. That shit looks sick on. That spot was dope. I'm mad that we got kicked out like in 5 seconds. That shit looks like GTA, bro. Oh, that's the one right there. Are you gonna move down here?
Yes.
How long?
Probably next week.
I hope. Feel me?
Job, bro.
It's gonna be sick. If you guys want to move down, go bug him. Tell him to hurry up. You gonna let me drive it?
Yeah, go.
What if I fuck it up?
Then you owe me a new.
Then you take
They
this?
got a new clutch. Feel the new clutch.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna mess it up again. Alright, we're gonna get some content with Hugo's car.
Nick loves driving the car, guys, and he loves just swinging it, burning out in it all the damn time. He loves doing that shit. I don't got tires, so I'm letting him blow them out. He blows them out, he gotta get me new tires.
Alright guys, we're gonna work the E92. Oh, I miss his car, bro, and it's crazy because it sounds just like my car. Since he took my old exhaust setup, it literally sounds like my car. It reminds me of my E92 so much. The way it sounds, the way it starts up, everything. It makes me remember my car, bro. Especially because it's the exact exhaust setup, bro. Look at this, guys. This is where I belong, huh? Back in another E92. But like I said, if I ever get another one, guys, I think I'm gonna have to go stick shift. It's just so much more fun, and I already had the DCT for like 5 years, so I think it's time for a change, you know? Put my seat row on, turn this off. Yes, bro. I need another one.
You need another one, bro.
Does that sound good?
So how do you zoom into this?
Downshift needs some work, but it's not that bad. I need another one, guys. It's so fun. Oh shit! Oh, I need another one, bro. Oh, it's so sick. Although it's not the fastest car, it's so fun, bro. Like, it sounds so good. My favorite place to go with this car was like in the canyons, bro. Like, it was my favorite place to go. You guys know I used to do so many point of view drives and in the canyon, and it was just so fun, bro. That's like where this car, like, I don't know, it's where it's supposed to be.
You miss it, huh?
This shit's so fun.
Check engine lights on, huh?
Blown engine. It sounds fast? I mean loud? It sounds fast.
Sounds like it's
It
fast.
sounds fast, but it ain't going nowhere.
It sounds fast.
It is loud. Loud as hell. You can hear the downshifts all the way over there.
Alright, well that's gonna end today's video, guys. These videos are all over the place because I'm trying to film as much content as I could in one day. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that little vlog. We drove Hugo's car. We got the cars all clean. You guys got to see a little bit of some E92 point of view action. I know you guys missed that car, and I know you guys missed those videos. It was so fun driving that car. Shout out to Hugo for letting me drive it. Everyone go right now and subscribe to Hugo, guys. He's almost at 10,000 subscribers. He's been trying to do it for the longest. He grinds a lot. He posts a lot of videos. He really deserves it. So go to his channel right now. I'm gonna leave a link down below. Go subscribe to Hugo, guys. Get Hugo to 10K. Hashtag get Hugo to 10K right now in the comments. Please, everyone go subscribe to his channel. Like I said, he's gonna be moving down here within a week or two. So we're gonna be together all the time, making as much content as we could. And you're gonna see a lot of Hugo's car in my videos and a lot of my car in his videos, so it's gonna be sick. And it's cool to see his channel because he does like a whole nother point of view of what we do in our day from his point of view. It's pretty sick. By the way, I shipped all you guys' orders out, almost all of them out. I have a couple more to do still. So bear with me, guys, be patient. And thank you so much for your patience. I know it's been a long time, but the majority of the orders are all out. So go check your mailboxes, check your email, check the tracking numbers, and they're all on the way, guys, I promise. Shout out to everyone who did place an order on the merch. I appreciate it. If you guys want to do cop the merch, I'll leave that link down below as well. We still have a couple more hoodies and I think one more t-shirt left. A lot of stickers left. And yeah, thank you guys for still being here, even though I took that like 2-week break from YouTube. I'm back. I'm trying to post more videos for you guys. I gotta post more videos for you guys. And it also helps me get my mind off things as well. And I know it helps you guys get your mind off your things that you're going to do too. So yeah, we're back on schedule. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.